Hello mga kaklasheng and welcome to my mini vlog. So for our today's mini story, we are here at the Creme de la Creme Patisserie. Actually, I was already here last Sunday with my friends Brenda Bells and Josh. We came here around 3 p.m. and medyo maraming tao. But still, we managed to get a table. Ayan, hindi nila alam ang mga nagaganap. Charot! So I ordered chocolate mousse and cappuccino. The coffee is good and this is very delicious. And Brenda Bess gave me a piece of avocado bread but medyo nabitin ako. So I decided to go back the next day with my friend Shawi so we can take a brunch there. The tables and chairs are painted in wood and white and there are lots of green vines and hanging planters creating a lush vibe throughout the mid-sized cafe. And these are the goodies giving you a sweet French vibes. It looks all yummy, so parang gusto kong kainin lahat. Charot! And so we managed to get a table. It is the same spot where I was last Sunday. And ayan, we are trying to read the menu kahit hindi ko masyadong maintindihan. Char! Coffee is served but we are still waiting for our bread. The finer details really add the homely touches here, like this glass tiny vase holding a fresh flower. So here it is, the homemade bread with avocado, cream cheese, cherry tomatoes, lime juice, and arugula, or known as rockets in England, or famously known as rucola in German. So mga kaklashing, it's time to savor our brunch. Actually, I already found this patisserie last year in TikTok, but I didn't have the time to visit it. So, finally, andito na ako. So, ayan mga kaklasheng, we are enjoying our time together, eating with Marites. Charot! Alam niyo mga kaklasheng, Creme de la Creme is a gorgeous French patisserie in the 8th district of Vienna. Open since early 2017, they are well established as a favorite amongst Vienna's cake lovers and true French bakery fans. There are about 6 to 8 tables in total, so hindi siya gigantic space. Pero, the whole place feels inviting, open, and bright from the moment you enter. Overall, the energy is dainty, French and modern, allowing for quick coffee dates, long lunches, or an indulgent afternoon coffee and cake with French-inspired flair. Still, somehow, this cafe seems like that secret spot you go to with a close friend to celebrate, commiserate, or simply indulge yourself in a special hour or so amongst the ambience and delicious cakes. In short, it's a treat for yourself to savor. We really enjoyed the ambience and the food, but since I'm not a fan of arugula or rocola, yun lang yung natira. And of course, the traditional coffee house toast. And for sure mga kaklasheng, babalik ako dito. Thank you for watching! Bye!